Hello, ISS aspirants. There has been a great debate about this question whether we should join the coaching or whether we should prepare on ourselves and only depend on ourselves for studying for this ISS examination. Now, first of all, I would let you know that this is the most crucial and the most toppest level of service that the country provides for statisticians. Above this, there doesn't exist any service in the country, and this is the most precious government service that you will ever serve into. This is UPSC. So it will be having much larger number of questions, much larger number of subjects, much larger number of syllabus and everything. So let us take a scenario where two children have come out from the university, just done their MSc and BSc, and come out of their university and want to prepare for ISS examination. One goes towards the coaching institute and other goes towards doing it on his or her self basis. Now let us see the scenario. For the one that does it on the self basis, he or she goes out of the university, and when you just pass out from the university and you see the PYQs, you see that they are very easy, but you have just given the examination for your university that is that has given you one subject per exam. But here in UPSC you will be giving 5 to 6 subjects, at least 5 to 6 subjects in one examination, and that too on 3 rigorous days, morning and evening batches or morning and evening shifts. And those 3 days will be very tiring, very rigorous to all of you. Till now, you have given the examination of the university where you have just done it in one day, having a gap of 2 3 days and doing just one subject. But now you have two, three, or even five, and even more than five subjects. And there you have just done descriptive. Here, ISS is the mixture of not just descriptive but also of objective type of questions. So there makes the difference. Then the second thing that you will be following is you will be taking out notes. You will be following different concepts. You will be for the same. Suppose we are taking the same subject sampling. For the same subject sampling, you will be following multiple number of notes. That is where you are going to lack and you are going to left behind your peers who are also preparing for ISS examination. And one more thing I would like to highlight that you have just come out of the university, and this 1 year that you are going to give to your preparation, you should give at least 1 year because this is ISS and it is not a easy job to do, and there is very limited amount of seats that is given for this service as well. So 1 year giving it totally to the ISS preparation, and you are doing the hard work but in the wrong direction will lead you nowhere but to disappointment. And that will also create a loophole in your resume if you are thinking that even after you don't get selected you will go for private jobs, and there you have to cover up this 1 year stating what that you were preparing for exam which you didn't clear, then you are already showcasing that you are a failure. This will become a very big disappointment in your life, and just to save a limited amount of money you are wasting your whole future on that. That is not the case with the ones who join the coaching institute. I am not referring you to join my institute or join any particular institute, and I am not debarring you from not doing the self study, but there is a lot of risks, and if you want to take risks and if you can afford the risk, then take it and see it on your own whether you will be able to join, whether you will be able to do it or not. On the other hand, if a person joins the coaching, he or she will be getting equal amount of the lecture notes and all the guidelines, proper guidelines. Coaching institutes are much more experienced than all of you. They have seen the PYQs, they know the trend, how the UPSC follows, and everything they have seen. So they will be guiding you in your own benefit. Yes, they will be taking a little amount of money from you, but that if that amount of money is making your future secure and is making you a respectable officer, then why not? Then why not spend that money, and why not save 1 year of time just searching for notes, going here and there, looking for nothing, and knowing nothing. They will also help you guide uh, in writing the examination and how to attempt the question in examination. Mugging up is one thing, representing your idea in those 3 hours or 2 hours of paper is another thing. So that will also be very important for you. And they are much more experienced. They have given results. They have followed many multiple number of people, and they have prepared the crisp notes for you to prepare for your journey. The only work you are left with is just learning and practicing. While on the other hand, you will be searching for notes, you will be going here and there, and you will be tremendously broken. And even if you have got the notes, and even if you start revising, the revision time is very much less as compared to the ones who have already joined the coaching and are on their third or fourth revision, whereas you haven't even started for your first revision. That is a big loophole, or that is the where you are left behind from your peers. So according to me, according to my point of view, I would like you to know that coaching institute might cost some money, but it will not cost your time. And at this point of time, the most crucial thing that you have is your time. So think smartly.